You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, a name from science, a viscous tarry liquid from bituminous. If you want to learn more vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced as Ichthammol. Ik, yes, the CH is pronounced like a K. It's from Greek. Ik, the, TH with your tongue between your teeth, standard. Ichthammol. Now, the last syllable can be either pronounced mol or mol. It's up to you. So, two slightly different, very slightly different pronunciations, Ichthammol or Ichthammol. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.